Hey guys, it's Taylor here from Tauranga Cars, and this is a 2014 Subaru Levorg GT-S. This is a 2-litre turbo version. So much power and actually quite economical as well. They're an extremely safe car with a 5-star safety rating, and this one's kitted out with some awesome STi gear, such as a front lip. You've got the STi front lip, which gives a far more aggressive looking appearance, as well as the honeycomb style front grille, which is also quite nice looking and does look very aggressive. This one here is on 18-inch alloy wheels with Bridgestone tyres all round, and all of the alloys are in excellent condition. It's also got STi side skirts, which complement the look of the front splitter, as well as a STi rear diffuser, which is a nice part that you don't always get and does really make the car look nice and aggressive. It's also got front and rear parking sensors, as well as a reversing camera, which helps with navigating small spaces, and it's also a full leather interior, as you can see here. Very nice interior on this car, really comfortable. The leather's nice quality. It's got 2 USB outputs down the back of the center console for your rear passengers to charge their devices. It's got factory tints all around, which is nice for your passengers, keeping them out of the direct sun. Massive spacious boot with the privacy cover that you don't always get with these, which is a nice thing to have. Hide all of your valuables. It's also got fairly large amount of storage underneath the boot floor. Rear wiper, rear spoiler, all automatic windows all around the car. They all go down without having to hold the button. Really wide sill down here, very sporty. You've got automatic adjustable seats in the front, so electric adjust front seats. The driver's seat is a 2-way memory switch, so you can program 2 different positions. They're also heated, the front seats. They've got a high and low setting. It's got hill start assist, hill hold feature, so that stops you from rolling backwards on steep hills. It's got an electronic parking brake as well. It's got a really nice transmission. These CVTs in these are one of the better CVTs out. They shift really nicely, they get you in the right power band, and then drop the revs nice and low, and you save a lot of fuel. It's very fuel efficient for a turbocharged vehicle with 300 horsepower. It's got paddle shifters as well, so you can get a bit more control. Reversing camera on this screen here, and USB input for audio. This particular head unit doesn't have a Bluetooth function for audio, but it does work for Bluetooth phone. If you want audio, you can just connect your phone charger up to in here in the center console. It's got an input for auxiliary and an input for USB, which is a cool bypass feature to have if you don't have the Bluetooth. It also charges your phone as you go. Really nice 18-inch alloys with 225 45 R18 tyres on it. LED running lights wired up to a separate switch, so you can turn them on and off. It's got factory fog lights and really nice factory headlights as well. As you can see here, got the STi Performance Kit on this one, which also means it's got nice Bilstein suspension, nice and firm, and I think it's sitting slightly lower than standard. It does have a firmer ride quality than some of the other ones that we've brought in. If we take a step inside, it's a good sign when you've got service stickers from Japan. Been well maintained and looked after. Got a multi-information display up here, which can give you all sorts of different readouts, including boost gauge, which is quite a cool looking gauge. Makes it really aggressive looking. It's got compass, settings, calendar, economy, and even oil temperature, and a variety of other things. So you can customize this triple gauge cluster here, and I think the oil temperature feature is a really good one to have if you're planning on driving this in a spirited fashion. It's good to know how hot your oil is before you start beating on the car. Really nice steering wheel as well. It's got a STi steering wheel. We've got SI drive with lane keeping assistance, radar cruise control, and all these different types of engine maps that you can use to save fuel or increase performance. Steering wheel audio controls here, as well as these rocker switches here, which change your center screen and the dash. There's everything able to be changed into English except for the stereo head unit, but a lot of people will just change that when they purchase the vehicle anyways. We've got dual zone climate control as well. Really nice, really cold, blows nice and cold, and Subarus typically have really good aircon. This is your seat settings here, so you can program your seat position, adjust your seat, set a programming 1 and 2, husband and wife, or whatever you want to do. Engine start stop button, And then you've got your traction control button here and the gauge dimming switch there, which is cool. You also have USB power outputs in the front, so you've got 2 of those there, plus the one in the center console, and then the 2 in the rear, which is a really good thing to have. You've got so much ability to charge your devices. Comes with a really cool dash camera. You just need to put a micro SD card in and plug the power into that. Up top here in these, you've got your you've got your Subaru eyesight features, so you've got your collision avoidance button for disabling that, and your lane departure warning button for disabling that. So if you don't like them interfering, you can turn them off altogether. Paddle shifters, automatic headlights, you've got your automatic rain sensing wipers as well down here. And overall, the condition of the vehicle is really nice. Only 52,700 Ks, and really good looking, aggressive design. So if you're interested in one of these vehicles, pop on down. It's also got one other performance improving feature, which is that it's got a STi tower strut brace across the top here, which increases the stiffness at the front end and the turn-in response and things like that. Benefits as a result. This one's available to view now on a yard down at 9 Barbary Street, Judea. Pop in and check it out.